Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Jade Beauty Eyebrow Stamp Set is probably one of the most revolutionary beauty tools to hit the market, offering a quick and effortless way to achieve perfectly shaped and filled eyebrows in seconds, making it an indispensable addition to any makeup routine for those seeking flawless arches without the usual hassle. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This volcanic stone roller instantly absorbs excess oil, leaving your face looking shine-free and perfectly matte. Keep your makeup looking fresh without any touch-ups. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Its compact design makes it perfect for use anywhere, anytime. Use it on clean skin at home or to mattify your face when you're out and about. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a reusable and washable solution for controlling shine. Need a refresh? Simply swap out the roller balls with our convenient refill packs. You won't need to buy a new handle every time. What we like? This tool instantly mattifies and absorbs oil for a shine-free look. It's better than blotting papers because it's reusable and washable. If you have oily skin and are always on the go, you should consider this. What people say. The brow stamp is easy to use and creates a natural-looking brow. It comes with multiple stencils to choose from, allowing for different brow shapes. The formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof, ensuring your brows stay in place all day. Number 4. ROSELYNBOUTIQUE Gua Sha and Jade Roller. Discover the secret to a more youthful complexion. Our natural skincare tools are designed to gently lift and firm your skin. Experience the rejuvenating power of traditional beauty practices. These tools help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother look. Gently roll away tension and puffiness with our authentic Jade roller. It promotes better circulation and a healthy glow. Incorporate the gua sha technique to sculpt and define your facial contours. It aids in lymphatic drainage for clearer skin. Embrace a holistic approach to skincare. These tools work in harmony with your skin to enhance its natural beauty and vitality. Make these tools a part of your daily routine for consistent results. Achieve a naturally radiant and refreshed appearance. What we like? This set offers a natural way to lift and sculpt your face. It helps reduce wrinkles and promotes natural skincare. If you're looking for a holistic approach to anti-aging and facial rejuvenation, you should consider this. What people say. The product is good and easy to use. It is very convenient to use and saves time. The product is very effective and gives a natural look. Number 3. BAIMEI IcyMe Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set. Discover the BAIMEI IcyMe Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set, your new essential for a refreshed complexion. This set is designed to elevate your skincare routine. Experience the cooling sensation that helps to reduce puffiness and invigorate your skin. It's perfect for a revitalizing morning routine. Achieve a more sculpted look with targeted facial sculpting and jawline definition. These tools help enhance your natural contours. Enjoy a smooth and effortless rolling experience with our premium skincare tools. They glide gently across your skin for maximum comfort. Suitable for both women and men, this set offers a luxurious spa-like treatment in the comfort of your home. Embrace a healthier-looking glow. Presented in a beautiful green hue, this set not only performs exceptionally but also adds a touch of elegance to your beauty collection. What we like? This set provides a cooling sensation for depuffing and facial sculpting. It's great for defining your jawline and overall facial contours. If you want to achieve a more sculpted and refreshed look, especially after waking up or a long day, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great product for beginners who want to achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows. The stamp is easy to use and creates a natural-looking brow. It comes with different stencils to customize your brow shape. Number 2. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit 16-Piece Eyebrow Makeup Palette. Discover the ultimate tool for perfectly shaped eyebrows. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to achieve your desired look with ease. Featuring a versatile range of powders, stencils, and applicators, this set offers endless possibilities. It's your complete solution for flawless brow definition. From precise shaping with stencils to effortless blending with the brush duo, achieve professional results every time. The included tweezers ensure perfect grooming. Create beautiful, long-lasting brows that enhance your natural features. The creamy wax helps to set your look for all-day wear. Looking for a unique gift for her? This elegant brow contour kit is a thoughtful present for birthdays or any special occasion. Elevate your makeup routine with this all-inclusive palette. It empowers you to create stunning, customized brows that frame your face beautifully. What we like? This is a comprehensive kit for perfectly shaped eyebrows. It includes multiple stencils and shaping wax for a customizable look. If you're a beginner or someone who likes to have all their brow tools in one place for easy application, you should consider this. What people say. The eyebrow stamp is easy to use and creates a natural-looking brow. It comes with multiple stencils to choose from, allowing for different brow shapes. The formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof, so your brows stay in place all day. Number 1. UCANBE 25 PCS Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. Tired of uneven or time-consuming eyebrow shaping? Discover the ultimate solution for perfectly defined brows every single time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. From dual-color pomade and reusable stencils to finishing powder and brushes, achieve salon-quality brows at home. Experiment with 20 different reusable eyebrow stencils to find your perfect shape. It's designed for easy application and a flawless finish. Enjoy smudge-proof and waterproof brows that last all day. Our formula ensures your look stays put, no matter the conditions. Everything is conveniently packed in a zipper pouch, making it perfect for touch-ups on the go. Get ready to elevate your beauty routine. Achieve professional-looking eyebrows in minutes. This kit simplifies the process, giving you confidence with every application. What we like? This kit features a dual-color pomade for versatile brow shades and numerous reusable stencils for easy shaping. Its waterproof formula ensures long-lasting wear. If you want to achieve perfectly defined and smudge-proof eyebrows quickly and easily, you should consider this. What people say. This eyebrow stamp is very easy to use and creates a natural-looking brow. The product comes with multiple stencils to help you find the perfect shape. The formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.